they are moving towards West Thames College. I'm pretty sure that the training module has been getting tougher and tougher each day. They're exposed to lot many situations. A space is to be given to every other person to speak out their discomfort and to get onto the same page.
What was the actual pattern of the hiring process of this particular position team leader?
I represent HR.
Okay.
She's the one who's biased.
Okay, that's all three of us. I would like to ask you that: how is your internal personal relation with each other? Are you good friends, or are you being very aggressive towards each other, or being let's not take about the consideration that Jordan have got a promotion. Let's be neutral on that page, and would like to know that how's your interpersonal relation between each other?